Hey guys, this is Sketchy Fusion. I'm Shalu. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to review a facial from VLCC, which is fruit facial, and it comes in a pack like this. It comes in a single facial pack also, but I prefer this because I love this facial. I have used it quite many times. So this time I got one additional session with this pack. Let us see what are the contents. And first, sorry, the first step of the fruit facial kit is papaya seed scrub with papaya and walnut powder. It is clearly written here the one step it is. And the second step from the facial is cucumber gel with cucumber extract and watermelon extract. This is the second step. The third step for this one is peach massage cream with peach extract and cocoa butter, and this is the third step. The fourth sorry the fourth step for this the facial is orange anti-tan pack with orange peel extract and vitamin E. This is the fourth step. And the last step for the facial is green apple skin guard lotion with green apple extract and vitamin E. This is the fifth step. I have shown you all the steps, and this is the instruction manual where all the details are written, how to use it and which one is to use first, as it is written on the sachets as well, and it is written in both the languages, English and Hindi, so anybody can understand it better, which is the language they prefer. So price for this facial, it has just gone from here. Anyways, the price for this facial was 600 rupees and I got it in 500 rupees. So the single facial costed me 100 rupees itself. Content for this facial are 250 gram in all. Pack contains papaya seed scrub 5 sachets 10 gram each, cucumber gel 5 sachets 10 gram each, peach massage cream 5 sachets 10 gram each, orange anti-tan pack 5 sachets 10 gram each, green apple skin guard lotion 5 sachets 10 gram each. And I am using this product again and again. This is not the first time I have purchased this product. I purchased it earlier also, and this time also I'm done with 3 facials. I'm left with 3. As you can see, all the steps I have used, and they are quite good and I mean easy to use because it comes in a hygienic packaging. This is my favorite thing about this facial. It comes in a hygienic packing. You don't have to dip your hands again in the same tub. You uh, just detach a sachet from the string and you just can use it. And it's a travel friendly also. If you are traveling for some long time or you are traveling and you want to carry your facials, so you just can use it and just good to go, and it fits in your wallet as well, your handbag as well. So as you have seen, I have used these 3 facials, and earlier also I have used it. This is not the first time or not the 3 facials I have used and I am reviewing. I am using it since a long. So I am quite happy with the product. It's a natural product and cruelty free. So from me, thumbs up to this. I am just concluding, and so this is my review for the product. I am quite happy with the product. I don't have any complaints with the product. It's a promising product. From me, it's a thumbs up product. So with this, I am concluding my video for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.